Hi, so I've noticed something weird. I just want to share this. I have a Focusrite Solo 3. I don't have the original cable. And so I've been using these two cables here, which is the blue one, a 3.0, and that's a 2.0, the black one. I think the white one's 1.0, which is the one that comes with the Focusrite 3. But these variants for newer ones, I guess, they should be compatible with the Focusrite Solo 3, which is connected to a budget PC I have, which has USB 3.0 ports, which are blue. Alright, this is what I noticed. Black one produces makes the vocals sound more clear, more detailed a bit, in the sense that there's less bass. All right, so then you feel like the blue one's the correct one, right? But then I use the blue one and the bass is so much that I feel like I can't hear the vocals very well afterwards. It's a little too bassy. So then I prefer going back to this one because then I can just concentrate on the vocal when singing. But then I think, wait, which one's the correct one then? Like, why do they sound different? To me, there's a clear difference when I'm hearing it. Maybe my headphones are just very bassy, but the black one just helps with the vocals. But when recording it and hearing it, I'm a little lost. Maybe it does produce more bass with the blue one when recording it. I think there is a difference, or maybe not. I'm not sure. Can anybody let me know if they notice a difference between the black 2.0 USB and a 3.0 USB connected to their PC while using a Focusrite Solo 3? Because I think there is a difference.